In this video, we are going to look at what is the shortcut for creating a graph. In this data, let's create a graph with column A and column B. I'm going to select column A and column B because column B has the numerical value with which we could create a graph. And on the keyboard, I'm going to select function F11, and there we have the graph created. And we could see that the graph has been created on a new tab or the worksheet. We could move this to the existing worksheet by clicking on this move chart, which is under the chart design option. And here we could choose object in and specify the sheet name. When I click on this OK button, it's going to move on to the existing worksheet and the new worksheet will be deleted automatically.